Can you live with Odejimjim?
If I have to, I will live with Odejimjim.
Take a look at Odejimjim. Look, man.
I'm looking.
Look, man.
I'm looking.
This is Odejimjim.
Yes, sir.
Odejimjim can vomit as much as $1 billion.
Hey! Odejimjim, take me! Take me! $1 billion. What do I do?
Can you live with Odejimjim?
I will live inside Odejimjim.
Odejimjim, let me Odejimjim.
Hey, my country people, una dey see wetin I dey see. Make una not talk say this thing na prank o. This is not prank. They don dey bring out wetin dey give them the source of the money. Then they bring her out now come show us. Cubana Chief Priest na be that o. And Nedu, hey, and Nedu they don initiate Nedu o. Cubana Chief Priest na hey. Maybe na tortoise na they give vomit money they give that man. Una no see the money wey he spray for a birthday. They even say he pay himself for 10 million naira. 10 million is not a governor, it's not a president. Now wetin they vomit money for them be this. That man money no be for clear eye, no be ordinary hand. Cubana Chief Priest money no be ordinary hand, they plenty. But you don't go catch and come bring out the secret. Now the secret be this, so thought you say they vomit billions. Now true they talk, no be act, no be prank. Yes, no be prank. Una wanna be mumu now there like una. Now go say na prank now, it's just a prank. Now lie. Now real thing. Now they take the ant prank. What did they happen to them? Now they take the ant prank. Now real. This thing na real. Now tortoise now they vomit money for him. Yes, una know the kind money where that guy gets. Una know the kind money where Cubana Tupu, whether Cubana, I been a Chief Kenny, I been a Chief waiting. Mama Shaya, here we go. And make a hate so. Cubana, the Chief Priest, that been a babala that they call her. Now tortoise they give her money. Yes. Now the source of it works. Now he show us for this video so. Now he show us. Yeah, if you don't get sense, cost me more there. When I don't get sense,